It's all square at half-time at the Orlando Stadium. Orlando Pirates 1, Magesi Football Club 1. The Buccaneers taking the lead through Tito Maswanganyi and then Edmo Chirambandare with their only shot on target in the opening 45. I'm still alongside both Stanton Fredericks as well as Kumudzo Manente. Let me start with you, Stiga. Sitting pitch side, what are you observing as you have a look at some of the moments that have stood out in the opening 45?
Yeah, I think Orlando Pirates asserted himself very well in the opening stanza. Created a number of opportunities to take the lead in more than one goal. But I think once again Magesi standing tall, but being very effective when going forward with the likes of Sibagnoni. But I tell you what, Orlando Pirates have been working on their set plays because 5 different set plays, 5 different variations. And this one, what a free kick, brilliant movement, brilliant timing, and an excellent finish from Tito.
I think the coaching point is when Rile makes the first dummy, they drop. Kota makes the second dummy, they drop. It then creates that space around the D line for Rile to then just lay the ball off for Tito Masonga. He takes it first time. A good shot. The bounce in front of the goalkeeper makes it difficult for Chipezeze to make the save. But good routine. I think Mandla Ngigazi should be proud of such a set play coming off, because this must be something that they've been working on at training.
That's a 7th assist of the campaign for Rile Mofokeng. It is one of the first of a number of efforts that Pirates have had a goal this evening so far, and we'll see those efforts play out in the next couple of minutes as well, because Pirates really have been in control for the most part of the first 45.
Yeah, using this pace of Nkota from a set play. This is when Magesi takes all the men forward. Here's another opportunity where we see the quality set plays, different variations, just nobody at the far post there to finish it off for Orlando Pirates.
I think if there's something that they've been doing right is the movement of the ball that the Orlando Pirates to be able to create space. Again, Rile Mofokeng drops into that 10 pocket. He turns, as soon as he turns, he drives forward and creates that opportunity for Mbata, unlucky to come off the upright.
So then, Pirates failing to get their second, and that meant that Magesi sort of started to grow into the game, Stiga, and with their only effort on target in the first 45, they get the equalizer.
And this is how Magesi gets further up the pitch. Ball is played to Sibagnoni. He does extremely well with his back to goal. He holds up play, allows for players to join him. This is the first touch he gets, and immediately there's movement in and around him. And I think Chirandara with an excellent strike. You know, it's very difficult to criticize the goalkeeper because Mamutsa's a striker. He knows that angle. If you get it accurate and hard and low, it's very difficult for the goalkeeper to get down. What an excellent finisher.
I think for me, it's the ball that comes from Matima to find Sibagnoni, who holds the ball up, then rotates or changes the point of attack to be able to find Chirambandare in that distance. Any youngster watching, they coach you to go across the goalkeeper when the angle is like that. But for me, excellent finish coming from Chirambandare, well taken goal.
That is typical of Owen Dagama as coach of Magesi Football Club. They always find a way, isn't it? They've got the steal. So then going into that second half, do they change anything? If you're Pirates, are you also trying to change something?
I think Pirates will certainly make a few changes, give minutes to a lot of players, but I think it's Magesi that we'll see. The very same Magesi that they've played in the first half. Excellent, nice and disciplined defensively, and they'll know that when the ball is played up to Sibagnoni, they'll get opportunities and continue in that vein.
Very quickly, before we throw forward to the second half, has the ref been a little card shy perhaps?
The referee has to apply because there's the holding on Rile Mofokeng. It's breaking a promising attack. There's this one with Tito Masongai. There's contact on Tito in this instance.
Yeah, that is definitely a penalty. And the yellow card should have come out there earlier on. Mofokeng tucked down another yellow. There's 2 difficult ones with stamping on the feet, you know, so he's been a bit cautious there. We would have loved to have seen a few more cautions going out there.
Okay, so as it is just a goal apiece between Orlando Pirates as well as Magesi Football Club. The same scoreline that they both featured in over the weekend. They've got 45 minutes to try and end the season